Gold, a beauty that has been fought over and researched throughout human history, sometimes bringing happiness and sometimes causing sorrow and tragedy. In ancient times, hidden among the lava and rocks at the heart of the world, there was a mysterious glow. This light was neither the sparkle of an ordinary stone nor the trail of a falling star. It was gold. Mother Earth protected this special metal for thousands of years. For gold was noble and patient enough to withstand even the passage of time. It did not rust or fade. Even after hundreds of years, it lost none of its brilliance. One day, people dared to venture into the depths of the earth. When they swung their picks and shattered the rocks, their eyes were dazzled. For the first time, they encountered the enchanting glow of gold. For them, it was not merely a metal, it was a miracle. The news spread quickly through villages and cities. A piece of the sun has been found beneath the earth. Artisans began to shape gold in their hands. They turned it into thin wires, creating elaborate rings, crowns, and necklaces. Kings and queens adopted gold as a symbol of its magic. Gold became the language of wealth and power. But over time, they realized that gold was not merely about beauty. Scholars studied it in laboratories. They discovered that gold conducted electricity flawlessly and did not corrode over time. Thus, gold found its place not only in palaces, but also in science and technology. Some people set aside gold as an investment, while others kept their memories in gold rings. Gold took on different meanings in each era, but it always represented one thing: value. Even today, a small piece of gold in your pocket whispers a 1,000-year-old story. Because gold is not just a mineral, it is a shining witness to human history.